What's up guys? I woke up this morning and I saw market crash. 800 points and silver like $4, but gold silver ratio went up like $8 to $9. So I got my 1 grams of gold that I don't care about and brought it to WNC coin. So Michael,
Hi, Terrace.
what do you think about ratio? If I bought that gold when the silver ratio was at 72, if I trade it for silver now, do I make money?
It's probably a decent time to trade it. If you look back just a couple months ago, the ratio was up to 120
Wow.
to 1. So we're back down to about 78 to 1. So it's probably a pretty good time to trade.
That's good. So, but it might blow up, but it might not. It might go back down.
Exactly.
So it's a good idea sometimes instead of selling it to kind of trade it for gold and opposite. Right?
Exactly. If you watch that ratio and play it correctly, you can do that and make money just trading it back and forth. So, and it looks like you've got some 1 gram bars here. You've got 12 of them in all, which is a total of 8.58 ounces, so just over 1/3 of an ounce. And with the ratio where it's at right now, you could get 29.5 ounces of silver for your gold.
Nice. So let's do it. Let's trade it in.
Okay, so here's some silver that you had picked out.
Yeah, I just picked out this because this just what do you call it?
Just generic silver. Yeah.
But I kind of like this one. I think this is more than generic. Why is that in this pile?
So we just put these in this pile to sort of spice it up. These are things that don't really fit in any particular area of our inventory.
Okay.
So even though they're government issued coins from Chad and Australia, we put them in our generic silver pile.
Nice. I always try to hand pick it.
Yeah.
And this one's just
that's a silver eagle that's been mishandled. So that's why it wound up over here.
So you want to take care of your eagles so that way they're worth a couple more dollars than the generic ones.
Exactly
okay.
right.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
All right. Sounds good.
So that's the idea. When gold silver ratio at 60, I traded bunch of silver for gold. Whenever it goes back up, gold silver ratio to 80 plus, then I traded gold for silver, and back and forth. That's the idea how silver gold ratio works, or gold silver ratio, whatever. And yeah, you can just better your stock without any investments. So the only thing, it could be a limited amount you can do, depends how much inventory they have. So if you're in a bigger city, it could be a lot easier to handle on like a bigger stocks. But even with a little bit of silver, it's kind of fun. I would hedge it anyways. I wouldn't want to do everything all in once. So it's just fun to come out and talk to a coin store, hang out, see what kind of new pieces, bars, coins they got. It's always a lot of fun to stop by a coin store. So I definitely recommend it. It's a very fun hobby, and at the same time, in a way, you're kind of saving money too. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.